Welcome to the United Community Channel. It's 3 a.m. I'm wrecked, but we persevere because Manchester United are playing, so happy days. I don't think he should play for United again after his comment. After his comments, I presume you can change the numbers around. Where would I be happy with? I mean, it all depends. It all depends. That's the bread and butter. You have to win. You have to win the Premier League. You have to be winning the Premier League, you know. Oh, that coffee hasn't done much. A lot of a lot of lessons to be learned here by these young lads.